Yo, what's going on YouTube? We're back at it again. Just got here in the shop. Getting ready to go get the car back together. Got a few things we gotta do. Just in case don't nobody know. Oh, don't forget my little pumpkin right there. Little helper. Let's see. It's a 67 millimeter Precision 6785 built GSR Pro 1 cams, Skunk 2 intake manifold, G-force trans. Nothing special. Everything's off the shelf. Car's been 850s. Hopefully we can get that number to drop this week. Like I said, got a few things we got to put in. Get this thing done, ready to go. Order some parts from Tri-State. Back pressure sensor. Got some oil for the transmission. Oil for the motor. Here in the shop right now, it's kind of loud. This is the next project. Yeah, LSX twin 6870. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this hatchback. Try to get this thing together, and here we go.
Because what? Well, that damn firewall. Oh yeah? Oh, fireworks? You see fireworks? You didn't? That firewall, that back, curves. Look at that. So I put that one.
Alright, so got the intercooler off. The manifold's already tapped. Right. Right here. So then we're just gonna put this AEM back pressure sensor in. It's got a whole kit. Everything's here. Got the hard line in the bag. Yep. So yeah, we're gonna get this going and put a little oil in it. Some oil in the transmission. Got my little helper. Say hi. Then we can bolt her all back together and start her up. Stay tuned. So put the DP plate in just so hopefully that stops all the movement that I was having and tearing up my transmission pieces. So just gotta put the pin back in the trans, lower it down, and we can go ahead and start it up. Alright, so we got back pressure sensor hooked up, it's mounted over there. Have the new water pressure sensor set up right here. Basically, we can start it now. I'm gonna have to check the water. I'm gonna have to check the transmission fluid a little. Should be all straight. But yeah, pretty much should be good to start. Should be action. Yep, we all back together. Ready, just got bleeded clutch. Put the, obviously put the charge pipe back on. And we good to go, but can't really put that on until we bleed the clutch. Got hydraulic draw bearing. Other than that, man, we should be ready to go. So, see ya after this.